black currant. I'm not making that up. Strawberry, lemon, lime, and orange. God, I want a black currant so bad. What do you think? What do you think it is? All of them?
No, that.
Oh, okay.
I thought that's a
Oh man. It's stuck.
Uh-huh. You get stuck.
Okay. I couldn't taste it because it got stuck to my molars.
It really does get stuck. Hey everybody, it's Alex and Terry, and it's another month of Snack Crate. We're not really sure when this came. We're thinking November or December, but on the mailing address it said Sir Alexander Alvarez of Snapshire. So we don't really know, but the next box we have says something about Christmas, you said?
It says her name with Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer afterwards, so obviously they're getting into theming.
Yeah, but the last one came right before New Year's, like on the 29th. So this is either November or December's box. But without further ado, I guess we should guess. I am going to say Great Britain because Snackshire.
I mean, that's the obvious choice, but I'm going to go with the second obvious choice of Somalia.
Right. That is so obvious. My gosh. Okay, we are going to go. Go ahead.
All right.
And I win.
The UK.
The UK. We have not gotten this before.
Oh, an English Bulldog. That's interesting because actually the dog of the UK is a...
Corgi.
Yeah, the loaf of bread looking thing.
All right, which one do you want?
The crown.
Oh, not
the crown.
Oh, the crown. Okay, I'm gonna go with this.
Okay, you still haven't given me the crown.
Biscuit. I can never get this stuff off. There. I'm gonna go with this biscuit and jam that's streaming. Okay. As always, it comes with a Snack Crate sticker, and it comes with your booklet that talks about different facts about the country, as well as it gives us everything that we're going to eat today. We upgrade to this the drink if this is your first time watching, so we will start with that, and then we will just dive right in. Lots of chips, which I like.
Orange Tango.
Alright. Originally launched in 1950, this tangy orange soda is known for its intense and refreshing flavor and clever advertising campaigns.
Which included in that is a doctor recommending that this is your 6 of your 5 tangs a day.
Oh. Alright. Oh, what if it does taste like Tang? Remember that? The powdered stuff?
Astronauts love that. Oh, it's totally Tang. Yeah, you can tell from the smell. Carbonated Tang.
Orange Fanta. Which,
I mean,
by the
that's
way,
still terrible. Fanta is just
which, by
for
the way,
juggalos
Fanta is like really big in
crackheads.
Europe. We saw it everywhere.
It really is.
It's not bad. All right. We also have the premium box, so we're about to eat about 20 snacks. So let's do it. First one, McCoy's chips.
Which I thought chips was British for French fries.
I don't know.
Liars.
Premium box. Crunchy, rigid potato chips covered with curry sauce, a staple of fish and chips shops around the UK. They always had curry bratwurst when we were in Germany.
Also, I'd like to point out this giant bag, only about a third of it actually has chips in it. So they're definitely getting this from their American people.
It says it's new.
And there's spicy chicken on top. And there's French fries and hula hoop. Man, these people really love their chickens.
I don't really care for it.
Mm-hmm.
Curry stuff is, I like curry, but not chips. No.
It's alright. There's nothing wrong with it. Just not my flavor. Oh, child's food.
Oh, before we keep going, if you watched the turkey video, we wanted to let you know that we literally ate every single snack out of that box. That was the first time we ate all the snacks out of a box.
Pickled onion.
Monster Munch. Crispy monster paw-shaped corn snacks infused with zesty flavor. We've included either pickled onion, flaming hot, or roast beef. Oh, those are. They are. Those are nasty. Give one to the dog. Connor, come here. These are
That's really terrible.
gross. Oh, you just like almost.
He's not sure about that.
You dropped it. Is he eating it? I can't even tell. Yeah, it's disgusting.
Alright, something different. Here we go. Walnut Whip.
Premium box as well. Nestle Walnut Whip. Since 1910, features a cone of milk chocolate filled with whipped vanilla topped with half a walnut. Oh, that's interesting. It really is a cone topped with a half a walnut.
Half a walnut.
Ugh, anything to get that nasty. What's that in my nose?
Oh, marshmallow.
Interesting. What was it?
We've had this before.
And then I ate the walnut. It's okay. Alright.
Okay.
Now we're going away from chips, but okay.
I mean, they don't give us a lot to choose from.
Nando's Peri Peri Chicken Brews. These chips are flavored with peri peri, a legendary pepper and citrus-based sauce, and savory roasted chicken. Ridiculously good.
40% of that bag is actual chips. Or kettle.
They're not bad.
Oh,
It's okay.
she might like these.
Fruit salad.
Yummy, yummy.
Oh god. Fruit salad sour softies. These soft and chewy candies feature fruit with a sour kick. Alright. From the premium box. Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
You gotta eat it.
I know. I'll go with purple and green.
I'll go with pink.
Oh, there's styrofoam. No, it's foam mattress. Yeah.
They smell really bad. Like really bad. I actually don't care for them. They stink. Like they really smell.
Alright.
Alright, my turn to pick.
Alright. Better be good. Better not suck.
Toffee Crisp.
The Nestle Toffee Crisp. A delicious combination of biscuit, crispy cereal, and caramel, all covered in chocolate.
From the
I don't know, premium. So we have these in America. Rice Krispies and caramel and chocolate. I like it. Trying to remember.
Summer brand.
I don't know. But
It wasn't terrible. Probably the first one that wasn't bad. Alright. Worn Trees since 1881.
Roundtree's fruit gums, right?
Yep.
Delicious fruity gummies featuring the flavors of black currant, not making that up. Strawberry, lemon, lime, and orange. God, I want a black currant so bad. What do you think it is? All of them?
No, that.
Oh, okay.
I like that's
Oh man. It's stuck.
Uh-huh. He gets stuck.
Okay. I couldn't taste it because it got stuck to my molars.
It really does get stuck. Like you can't. I don't even know how people eat it.
Delicious my ass.
Thanks. It's still.
When I was pulling it off the bottom molar, it got stuck to the top molar. It was a wonderful experience. Thank you, Snake. Alright.
Bacon flavored fries. Hey, this bag is completely full.
Smith Snacks. A mainstay in pubs around the UK, these crunchy, savory snacks are perfect with a drink. Enjoy our favorite bacon flavored.
They literally just taste like bacon. The aftertaste is better than the beginning taste.
Yeah, you definitely need to drink to enjoy those.
Come here. They have the texture of pork rinds. Chicharrones.
That's the only word in Spanish she knows.
Not true.
I've had to teach her a few other things, like quién es su papa.
Stop.
Stick around, I'll teach you some more.
Oh my god. Alright. Boost. Not the gain weight shake.
Could be. Cadbury Boost Bar. Soft cocoa filling mixed with crunchy biscuit pieces and covered in caramel and rich milk chocolate. So like that last one?
No crispy.
Yeah, there are. They're really kind of only in the middle. Well, odd name. It's a chocolate bar. It's been done. Nothing's perfect.
Alright, switch.
Alright.
I'm not impressed. UK. Space Raiders from the premium box. Space Raiders Cosmic Corn Snacks beef flavored. Crunchy corn snacks shaped like alien heads with an out-of-this-world beefy flavor.
And they give you stats what the size of the alien is on the back. Beef flavor, huh? So, does that mean if we cooked one of these aliens it would taste like a steak? That looks more like the Scream mask, doesn't it, or the painting? Oh, God, that stinks. Oh, God, that's terrible.
So bad. Like, not as bad as those pickled onions, but
Ooh.
that was really bad.
Ooh.
Ugh.
I got the taste in my mouth.
I should have drank something better than water. Take another. I'm yet to find one thing that I actually would want to eat.
Hula hoops. Cheese flavored.
Also from the, is anything not from the premium box? From the premium box. Hula hoops, flavorings, tangy cheese. These crunchy ring-shaped snacks are bursting with cheese flavor.
Cheese puffs. Well,
Was it? Oh.
it's cheese puffs, that's all it is.
Yeah, but it tastes kind of like it tastes like old cheese.
Well, they don't put the best into their hula hoops, so.
It doesn't taste as good as cheese puffs. The texture is the same, but the cheese tastes old.
Okay. Buttons.
Also from the premium box. Cadbury Dairy Milk buttons. These delicious bite-sized pieces of famous Cadbury chocolate. We've included both milk and white chocolate.
Well, this is milk, and they're literally little buttons, and it's just chocolate, right?
Yeah.
And there's the white chocolate.
It's just like little shaved pieces of chocolate.
Yeah.
People buy this? I mean, a Hershey Kisses has more.
White chocolate. White chocolate, yeah. So, interesting snack.
Okay. This box might go straight in the trash.
Alright, baby. This is for you.
Juicy Chews. Finally, the mini box. Man, I'm so glad we didn't get the mini box. Half the stuff in there we already wanted to vomit. Okay. Bite-sized fruit-flavored chews with a burst of liquid fruit in the center.
You want red or orange?
Red.
May contain milk. Yeah, I found that out myself.
They're white. Oh. We can't chew it now.
That hurt. My jaw hurts. Yep. No. Maybe this is why the British have terrible teeth.
Okay. It tastes so nasty.
I didn't even taste it. It never got to my tongue. Because I was too busy trying to chew the thing. And it just never happened.
Give me that tang. That's the best thing out of this right now.
I don't know, those hula hoops.
That was really nasty. We should give this whole box to Tony. Maybe it will.
Oh yeah, I got a friend who thinks he's British or something.
He was born there.
I mean, so what?
Give it to Tony. Okay. Let's just finish the fries. They're gonna be nasty. They're Worcestershire sauce fries. Walker's Crisp.
Oh, well, the picture on here looks nothing like the picture there. Arguably, the most popular chips in the UK. Worcestershire sauce, cheese and onion, smoky bacon are, and I'm not making this up, and they damn sure should have included it, prawn cocktail. Oh my god, oh my god!
You want to smell it?
I did when you fed it to me. Oh, that was terrible.
Really bad.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to go to McDonald's after this.
Yeah, I know, just to wash the taste out of my
This was
mouth.
supposed to be our lunch.
The Million Sour Strawberry.
Oh, this is gonna get
These
shit.
tiny, chewy candies are packed with strawberry flavor with an intense sour kick in every bite.
Nerds.
So, nerds. Ooh. No, they're chewy. And they are intensely sour. And they stick to your fucking teeth.
Honey, try to avoid that.
Oh. Seriously, Brits, man. Calm down on the chewy candies.
I love sour stuff, and that was not good.
Okay. Next.
Wham! Original with sour crystals.
Alright. Original box. Chewy Taffy Bar is packed full of tangy, fizzy flavors.
Oh god.
With the added punch of sour crystals in every bite.
I can't get it out.
It's one of those bars, you know, which you can buy. I bet anything is going to be really
I'm gonna have to
wow.
brush my teeth after this.
Alright, y'all need to see a picture of this. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that or if it's molding. I'm not sure which one.
Airhead?
Yeah, that was the word.
Okay.
No, seriously, look at it. There's like
Speckles.
stuff
I
in
think
there.
that's the sour crystals, honey. Oh. Did you just literally lick the whole thing? You're supposed to chew it.
I don't want to anymore.
Yeah, you need to.
No, it's not right.
After you literally licked them, it's
Oh, take it all in, baby.
no.
Yeah. All right, next.
Oh god, oh bad.
Well, these three come together.
Alright.
Canucks. This iconic Scottish candy features layers of wafer dipped in chocolate. You get a caramel log, caramel chocolate, or dark chocolate. I think we got actually all three.
Dark chocolate.
That's dark chocolate. So wafer with dark chocolate. Alright, I bet they're all gonna taste the same. Just depends on the chocolate. How are them and the wafer chewy? It's supposed to be crispy, but most definitely not.
Caramel. Dark chocolate. I don't taste any caramel. It's not crispy. Do you taste any caramel? Oh, God! This one spat at me. Look at this shit. Ooh. Sorry.
Crunchy?
It's the caramel log?
That one sounded crispy.
That's the better one of the three.
Yeah, that was alright.
Ooh. I just like that sour thing I ate.
Alright. Ooh.
This is really bad. This might be the worst box. Because Sweden,
They didn't have the fish. Sons of bitches.
Oh my god, so much cussing in this one. Double decker. Feels smushed.
Hey, I've been called that before.
Honey,
These two layered chocolate bars have crispy cereal bites on the bottom and creamy
It is
nougat
smushed.
on the top. Ooh.
smushed it.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Hey, ooh. I'm gonna have to bet that.
What are you doing over there? You just spit up? Dying?
Yeah. Plus, that was hard to swallow. I took a big bite. That's what she said to us. Okay,
Alright.
continue.
Jammy Dodgers. Best ever recipe.
Alright, premium box. Shortbread biscuits with a fruity jam filling. These popular treats have been a cultural institution throughout the UK for 5 decades. Bet they're soft, aren't they?
No. They're not good. They're not good at all. At all.
Get it.
I don't even want to finish.
Alright, we got 4 more bars.
Cadbury Dairy Milk.
Cadbury Dairy Milk Marvelous Creations. Milk chocolate bar filled with jellies, popping candy, and candy shells.
Oh no.
It's marvelous.
Oh, but that looks like M&M's. Cross fingers, it's not sour or chewy. Yeah, they're M&M's.
I got something to eat. 3 more. Let's go. Come on. Can't stop now. What you get?
Crunchy.
Alright, mini box. Since 1929, Crunchy has been a UK favorite. Features a golden honeycomb center surrounded by delicious Cadbury milk chocolate. Oh, it's hard furniture foam, isn't it? We are there. Oh man, that furniture foam is interesting flavor. Right, 2 more. Woo!
I feel like I'm in a eating competition.
All right,
Yeah.
just slowing down, but we can't let that happen, can we, folks? Cadbury Twirl, milk chocolate fingers, flaked, then rolled with a smooth chocolate covering. Swirly chocolate burst in every bite.
From the
Mini box. Oh, dude, are these Twix?
yeah.
No, they're not Twix. They're just chocolate.
Just like a bar of chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the log, the shredded chocolate.
Mm. All right. It has to be the best because it's the last. Lion Bar. Candy bar features crisp wafers. Not gonna be crisp.
Has new recipe actually.
Covered in caramel, rolled in Rice Krispies, then dipped in chocolate. A treat worthy of royalty. Ooh, God, that is just a mess.
I don't even know what anything tastes right now.
Well, that's not bad. I mean, it's a lot, but you know, it was worse in this box.
It was way worse.
All right, so favorite. I'm stuck between the Lion's Bar and the Caramel Log. For those of you who don't remember, don't want to rewind. No cosmetic. Just these. Worst one. These disgusting things. Oh my god. They smelled and tasted atrocious.
These, the curry one.
Oh god, I could smell them since I opened it. Catch. Good
Oh,
job.
good catch!
She's so proud of it. Well, I'm gonna get this place down my mouth.
No, these will get that in your mouth.
No.
Oh, the pickled onion. That was really bad.
No, those fries were the worst. And then the Tangy.
The beef flavored aliens. Oh no, these. All of them.
Yeah. Alright. Last little bit of education today. Another good thing to say in Spanish. Suatelos un pantalus. Learn those 2 things and they'll love you forever.
Fun facts. Every day, people drink 165 million cups of tea in the UK.
He's good for you. No, that's okay.
The accent of the UK changes noticeably every 25 miles. Big Ben is not the clock, it's the bell.
Everyone knows that.
No portrait was ever painted of William Shakespeare when he was alive.
Yeah, we all know that.
Nowhere in the UK is more than 75 miles from the sea. And at one point, the British Empire ruled approximately 25% of the world's population and covered about 25% of Earth's total land area.
Alright, they say ruled, but the word is enslaved.
The Battle of, what was it?
The Battle of Independence?
Yeah!
That's what they call the American Revolution in Britain, the Battle of Independence.
Mm-hmm. We found that out when we met some friends from Great Britain.
Alright, well,
we're done. We're going to throw this box right in the trash.
Yeah, this is disgusting.
If you liked any of these snacks, tell us why you like them.
And what's wrong with you at the same time, because that's important to know.
We also have some other videos. Go watch the turkey one if you haven't seen that. And I think New Zealand. Go
We
watch
don't know
those.
anymore.
We don't, but it's 2019. It's a new year of Snack Crate. Let's hope they all don't suck like this one.
Yeah.
That being said, see you later.
Happy late Merry Christmas and have a joyous Kwanzaa.
Bye.
Bye-bye.